Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on weekly delicious, quick, and easy recipes. We have a lot of exciting content planned and you won't want to miss a single video. Your support is very much appreciated. Every like, comment, and share helps us bring more tasty recipes to you. Today we've got a super quick and easy recipe for you. A fresh and delicious tomato and cucumber salad. It's perfect for those days when you want something light, yet satisfying. Perfect for a light lunch or a side dish that'll brighten up any meal. Whether you're having a family dinner or a picnic, this salad is a great addition. So let's dive right in. I promise this will be fun and easy. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Make sure to have everything ready before you start. 2 large tomatoes, diced. 1 cucumber, sliced. 1/4 red onion, thinly sliced. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, chopped. Juice of 1 lemon. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. These simple ingredients come together to create a burst of flavor. First, grab your large tomatoes and start dicing them into bite-sized pieces. Make sure they are evenly sized for a consistent texture. Remember, the fresher the tomatoes, the better your salad will taste. Fresh tomatoes add a juicy and vibrant flavor that can't be beat. Next, take your cucumber and slice it nice and thin. Thin slices ensure that the cucumber blends well with the other ingredients. You can leave the skin on for extra crunch and nutrients. The skin also adds a lovely green color to the salad. Now, thinly slice 1/4 of a red onion. Be careful to slice it as thin as possible to avoid overpowering the salad. This adds a fantastic zing to the salad. Red onions provide a sharp, tangy flavor that complements the sweetness of the tomatoes. In a large bowl, combine the diced tomatoes, sliced cucumber, and sliced red onion. Make sure to mix them well so that each bite has a bit of everything. Chop up about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Cilantro adds a fresh, citrusy flavor that brightens up the salad. If you're not a fan, you can always substitute with parsley. Parsley will give a milder, yet still fresh taste. Toss it into the bowl. Make sure it's evenly distributed. Next, let's add the dressing. This is what will bring all the flavors together. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon over the salad. Fresh lemon juice adds a bright, tangy flavor that enhances all the other ingredients. This will give it a refreshing tang. It's like a burst of sunshine in your salad. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil adds a rich, smooth texture and helps to meld all the flavors together. This helps to bring all the flavors together. It's the perfect finishing touch. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. Don't be afraid to taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Give everything a good mix until well combined. Make sure every ingredient is coated with the dressing. And there you have it. A beautiful, vibrant salad that's as tasty as it is colorful. A bright, fresh, and delicious tomato and cucumber salad in just minutes. It's a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. Perfect for any occasion and sure to be a hit with everyone. Whether it's a family gathering or a casual lunch, this salad is always a crowd pleaser. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more easy and delicious recipes every week. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, happy cooking. We can't wait to see you again. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.